Hi, this is Johan Valdelius with Yokogawa Measurement Technologies. Today we're going to take a closer look at the Yokogawa DL850 scope quarter, and it's the vehicle edition this time. It has the possibility of decoding CAN signals, so you can log your CAN data together with your normal logging your other signals. The DL850 is modular based. There's 8 slots and 17 different module types to choose from. There's normal oscilloscope type inputs with isolated channels. There's high voltage modules, there's temperature modules. But today we're going to look at the CAN module. So you plug it in here. Use 2 ports on each module. It means that you can decode 2 different CAN networks. So this is connected to one CAN network. The signal is generated from this test board, and we're also looking at the physical CAN signal with this probe. So we're probing, and we're connected with one channel with a probe and one to the CAN module. We'll do it a little bit backwards, so we look at the end result first. This is actually when we've logged and stopped. So this is your CAN, the CAN node. Contains all the CAN frames. This is a zoomed in part, and that's shown in this part of the screen. So this is CAN frames. And how the DL850 works, it only takes the data part of the frame, it decodes that, shows it as an analog value, and you can have up to 240 of these nodes that you're logging in 4 different CAN networks at the same time. So it shows the analog value on the CAN. This one is the pressure from one of the CAN nodes, and one is the engine speed. Okay, so pressure and engine speed, this is just an example, but you can have more signals. So you can look at timing problems between the pressure being transmitted on the CAN, or if you have a real sensor connected to measure the pressure somewhere else, you can look at timing between your CAN signal and the real signal. You can also use these logged CAN data as a normal trigger input, and this has a lot of trigger possibilities, so you can use this as a normal channel. Okay, that is the end result. How did we get here? Straightforward. There's a symbol editor software. It's downloadable from our web page. You load your SBL data file, which contains all your ID tags or nodes from on the CAN network. You double click, there's more information available. You drag the ones you're interested in onto this side. You save this in a format that the DL850 understands. So this is not part of Yokogawa. This is a vector database where you take your nodes, you drag it onto this side, you save it, and then you import it into the DL850 from the USB memory stick, for instance. You upload it, and you get all these already written in here. The label, if it's a standard or extended message format, all of this. But this is already imported here. If you don't have this SBL data file, you can manually put in all your information in this way. Okay, thank you. Stay tuned. There's more options on the DL850. There will be more videos. Okay, thank you. Bye bye.